The final component of trusted decision making is about it being connected. And connected sounds pretty intuitive, but the problem we see often is this. Our strategy tells us one thing, but the compensation model might tell us something else. The strategy, for example, might say we're going to build deep relationships with our existing customers. Yet if the compensation system is talking about commissioning salespeople for quarterly objectives, they're not going to be worrying about creating long-term relationships. They're going to be worried about hitting those quarterly numbers. And those examples go on in all parts of the business. So it has to be connected, the decisions that you make, with the entire organization. Our argument is this. Our argument is that strategy joins it all together. So our strategic objective and strategy map should inform how we manage the business. It should inform how we plan the business. The strategic objectives that show up in our strategy map should be the same drivers in our driver-based plan. It should inform the performance layer, the compensation, the organization design, the business intelligence. And finally, it should inform how we improve the organization. What does that look like? Well, the strategy map, as we saw, is the best practice around getting a snapshot of the strategy. Managing the business we do through tools like strategy maps and impact diagrams, which allow us to monitor, align, and operate the business. The planning components include such things as the cascaded strategy maps down to regions and product groups and so forth. Financial plans, driver-based plans that we're used to, and also people plans. How do we align the organization design, the competencies, the accountabilities, and the organization structure to the overall strategy? The performance layer is all about making sure that we're able to monitor through things like dashboards, do some analysis through business intelligence tools, and of course operate the business by translating that into information that people can understand and assimilate. And then finally, perhaps making it into what I'll describe crudely as eye candy, dashboards and reports that are accessible to a broader audience without necessarily giving away proprietary and competitive information. Finally, improve. How do we bring into the strategy argument all we know about Six Sigma, lean, process improvements, and put that as part of the management system?